What I'm about to show you is a common problem with Windows PC.
Oh my God! Wow!
So if you are faced with that, just follow these steps. Right here is a Thinkpad. It turned on, but there's no display on the screen. So how will you approach this problem?
How? How?
It's on. Is there any display? There's no display. No display on the screen, and there's no any kind of tone that comes out from the PC. Maybe it beeps, talking about RAM or those things, but nothing. It remains on, right? It is on. If I tap on the caps lock, nothing on the caps lock. And moreover, the PC is plugged in. You see that it is charging. So what I'm going to do is unplug the charger. Next will be to turn this off. So I just remove the battery. Battery removed. Why this PC has two batteries? There's external battery. External battery has been removed. There is internal battery. So I need to lose this. So the back is removed. Interested the internal battery. It's not connected. Next is to focus on the RAM section. I remove this first RAM. There are two RAM. Yeah, good. So I remove the first RAM. Then, after I remove the first RAM, I will turn it on and see if it was the RAM that I removed that has problem or not. Now, why am I doing this? Right. If it didn't turn on at all, there's something else I would have done. But it turned on, right? But there's no display. And what is responsible for there to be a display is RAM. So I've removed one RAM stick, right? So next is to turn it on and see if the RAM that I removed was the cause of the problem or not. So I plug it. There's only for me to plug the battery. I plugged it in. Right, turn on. So it's on. Is there a display on the screen? No display on the screen. Any caps lock? No caps lock. Fine. Next for me to do is to remove this second RAM. So second RAM has been removed. I'm going to rub this RAM in my hair. In a sense, I want to charge this RAM. All right, this was the last one that I removed. I've rubbed this on my hair, so I will not insert it on the PC. I will insert the first one that I remove on the PC and see if it's going to turn on. So if it turned on, that means the problem was the second one that I removed. So now I'm returning the first one that I removed without rubbing it on my hair. So it is on. No display yet. And the PC is on. If I check the back, the fan should be spinning. Okay, the fan has not, it's not spinning. But the CPU, here the CPU it is hot. But it has not started spinning. Okay. But still the same. Nothing on the screen. Alright, I will disconnect. Then remove it. Try with the first one that I rubbed on my hair. So I want to rub it on my hair again. Yeah, done that. Then return. Turn on the display. All right, no display now. So I've tried the RAM section. What happened? Does it? We're not all right. Let me wait a bit. Okay. 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 This is Nigeria. So the light has been sealed. So you turn off.
Oh my God!
So remember what I did? I removed now the pieces as came up. Yeah, and it brought out CMOS reset. So here is CMOS battery. So after try the two, there's nothing. The next thing will be for me to remove this. So if you're faced with that, just follow the same procedure. If it's going to be HP, it's going to blink. If the RAM has problem, it's going to be zero caps lock, but not in all cases. Right. So if I experience with such, the PC turn on, and they notice that, especially if the fan is blowing and the CPU side heated up, right? I mean, the pieces are turned on and necessary voltage are there. So just focus on the RAM, try to clean up the RAM as I demonstrated. Rub the golden part, right? The part that looks like, is it copper? Yeah, this part, both sides on it here. Then clean it up, return it. I've made tons of video about this, right? How to revive RAM, how to do all that. So if you are faced with such, no, go like that as I've demonstrated. Yeah, do that. Yeah, there's high likelihood that your PC will come back working. So most of the visitors I talk to technician place, to a technician to be able to fix. If you follow this step, you definitely fix it yourself. All right. So when you're faced with results, just do it that way. Right. So the PC has been assembled. Next is to put it to test and see if it's going to work or not. All right. So here's the PC. I'm going to turn on the PC. All right. So I've inserted the battery. Yes. It started the battery. It has now this. All right. You see that? Exactly. Problem fixed. So if you find this helpful, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button, like, and share. See you next time.